Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic AI tool, which will be useful for us to as a search engine, and also it will automate our literature review. Let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool, how it will generate papers and how it will generate or automate literature review for us, whether the literature review or the paper generated by itself will be useful for us or not. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing. In this workshop, we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring out a better content out of ChatGPT for our research paper. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the workshop will be given in the registration. The registration link of the workshop will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. If you are interested in designing EV charging station, so here is an opportunity for you to have a live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources. In this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy as a source, and also we are going to track maximum power from both of the renewable energy sources using different MPPT algorithm, that is maximum power point tracking algorithm, and also we are going to incorporate it with EV charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So if you are interested in EV charging design, especially in MATLAB, so don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the tool what we are going to discuss today is that Cambrain. So Cambrain Copilot for AI research. This is a special tool especially designed for research. So here you can see that search over 2,40,000 ml papers, which today's paper generate research insights and automate literature reviews, or else you can share paper, bookmarks and folders with your people in your network. So this is all about this Cambrain Copilot. So let us explore one by one. So in order to know the recent papers, so just click on the option called recent papers. So it will generate recent papers for you, recently published papers for you. So here you can see that these are the recently published papers. So scaling data and parameters for a family of multi-model large language models, classifying nodes in graphs without GNN. So like that, recent papers will be shown in this particular Cambrain. So after that, you can add it as a search engine also. Just click on the option called search. So here you can type any keywords you want, or you can search for any research paper. So in order to do so, I am going to give a PV system. So just I am going to give a keyword here itself. So PV system. So in this you can see that this is the papers generated for this PV system. So here you can see short-term prediction photovoltaic power generation using Gaussian process regression. So the important thing is paper is that, so here you can see, you can chat with this paper, you can view the paper and you can have a cleaner view. So first click on chat with paper. So here you can see this is the paper you have chosen. Short-term prediction of photovoltaic power generation using Gaussian process regression. As like in chat with PDF, you can ask any questions you want related with the paper, then it will generate content for you. For example, summarize key points in the paper. So like that, I am going to give an input prompt, summarize key points in the paper. So here you can see that Cambrain AI tool will generate a summarized version of this paper, what the paper is focuses about. So here you can see that this paper focuses on predicting the energy generated by PV system using Gaussian process regression. The uncertainty in PV power generation due to weather condition is major challenge that can be addressed through accurate short-term predictions. So like that, it will generate a content. So like that, you can chat with the particular PDF reference papers and you can ask any questions you want, then AI will generate a perfect answer for you. So you can use this opportunity. So here you can see another opportunity called view paper. So you can view the paper and you can download the paper very easily. At a one click, you can download the paper also. So after that, so here you can see cleaner view. So this is the cleaner view of this paper. So like that, you can analyze the paper. So you can choose any of the paper you want. So here you can see optimizing a domestic battery and solar photovoltaic system with deep reinforcement learning. So these are the three important options available in this Cambrain AI: chat with paper, view paper, and a cleaner view. So after, we can use it as a search engine, so you can analyze that particular paper also. That is the important option. So next important option is called review. So in this review, it is asked to enter a AI related topic or research questions and automatically create a literature review. So let us explore with some research questions. So I am going to ask literature review for a grid connected PV system with machine learning MPPT algorithm. So like that, I am going to give some random title here. So let us see how this keywords are together generate papers for us. So it will take several seconds to generate. So here you can see that the literature review will be generated. So here you can see the first paper by Ruhi Sharman ETAL proposes a method for maximum power point tracking in solar PV system using supervised machine learning. The authors design and simulate a overall schematic system of a PV system to create data set in MATLAB Simulink. So like that, 10 different papers are taken in account and it will generate a literature review for us. So the important thing is that you have to check it once whether the paper taken by this Cambrain AI is correct or not. So you have to check it once, because many of the AI tools are not trained properly to generate perfect references. So the references generated by this kind of AI tools, you have to check it once. But as far as this literature review analysis is concerned, so it will generate a better literature review only, especially related with our topic, that is the keyword or research question we have asked for. So this will be a better opportunity for you to make or automatically create a literature review for you. So next one is trending. So click on the trending option. So here you can see appearance, you can see the trending topics also. So for example, this is a PV fleet modeling, go to paper. I am going to click go to paper. So it will show the paper. So you can view the paper also, chat with paper. So or else you can download that paper by giving view paper. So this is the paper. So like that, you can make use of this Cambrain AI to analyze your reference paper, say search your references, analyze your reference paper, and then make or automatically make a literature review for you. So this is all about this Cambrain AI. This will be one of the best tool, especially for our research support. Go on and explore this Cambrain search. So it will be very helpful for you. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.